Hello friends, Kalrao School Halal presenting this video for standard 9th English medium subject English. Friends, today we are going to discuss about lesson from the book Moments, chapter number 2, The Adventure of Toto. Toto is a name of a monkey, baby monkey, which was bring at home by the grandfather, and which kind of mischievous nature was a Toto has, that was described in this lesson. How Toto will come into the house of writer, and how it will be treated by the family member of the writer. All the things are described in this lesson. Let's see what is there in the lesson. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? Have you ever seen any baby monkey as a pet, that someone put it down the pet at their home as a monkey? Toto is a baby monkey. Here, Toto, the name of the Toto is related with the baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. Mischievous or docile. Docile means easy to handle. Let's find out that this Toto is mischievous or easy to handle. Whatever the nature of the Toto, that we can find in this lesson. Grandfather brought Toto from the Tonga driver of the sum of 5 rupees. Grandfather brought this Toto from the Tonga. Tonga driver means cart driver. Goda Gadi. Okay, that is from the 5 rupees he will bring this Toto at home. The Tonga driver used to keep the little monkey tied to feeding throw. Tonga driver used to keep this little red monkey. Here the monkey is red. Okay, red color, red mouth monkey, and it was tied to feeding through. And the monkey looked so out of the place, their grandfather decided he would add a little fellow to his private zoo. Whenever grandfather show this monkey, he feel that grandfather has a private zoo at his home. So he decided that he will bring this monkey to the home and put this monkey in its private zoo. In its private zoo, there are many other animals are also there in that private zoo. So grandfather decided that he will bring this monkey to the home. Toto was a pretty monkey. Pretty means beautiful, looking like a beautiful monkey. His bright eyes sprinkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. His bright eyes sprinkle means chamakna. Okay, sprinkle with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. His eyes are looking like a mischief animal, and his teeth, which were pearly white, his teeth is looking pure white, were very often displayed in a smile that fragmented the life out of the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. It is looking like the fragmented means darana. Okay. Here the monkey is looking like the whenever he was laughing or whenever he was smiling, his white teeth is looking like Anglo-Indian ladies. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been picked in the sun of many years. His hands, here writer is talking about his hand. His hand is looking like a dry up. Through his, he had been pickled into the sun many years. Because the writer told that the monkey was putting down his hand into the sunlight for many years, so his hands are looking like a dry. Yet his fingers were quick and rigged. His fingers were quick and rigged. Quick means tej, or rigged matlab kharab. Okay, is looking like quick and rigged. And his tail, while adding to his good looks, The tail of the monkey is always adding the beauty in his looks. So there is a saying about the monkey that a monkey is looks like a beautiful just because of its tail. So tail is the most important part of the monkey. He can balance himself through the whenever he was jump from one place to another just because of the tail. Grandfather believed a tail would be add anyone's good look. Grandfather's belief is that if anyone has a tail, it would be increase his her its beauty. Also served as a third hand. Tail is considered or serves as the third hand of the animal. He could use it hang from branch. Monkey can use its tail to hang on the branch, and it was capable of scooping up and delicacy that may be out of reach of his hands. Whatever the things he was scooping means छीन लेना. Okay, he was capable to scooping the delicacy means a thing might be reach of his. Whatever the things we couldn't reach from there, the monkey can get from this just because of the tail and its balance. Grandmother always fused with the grandfather brought home some new birds or animal. Fused means चिल्लाना, चिड़चिड़ा होना. Then grandfather's nature is like a fused. Whenever grandfather brought any animal or bird to the home, she was not happy with this habit of grandfather. So it was decided that Toto's present should be kept a secret from her until she was into the particularly good mood. So grandfather decided that he will tell the grandmother about the Toto whenever she will in good mood, because if he said about the Toto at the time of it bring at the home, she will be probably anger in mood. So that's why he decided that he will tell about the monkey whenever she is in good mood. Grandfather and I means writer. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall. Little closet means a cupboard. Okay, cupboard. So grandfather and I means writer putted that monkey into the bedroom's cupboard, which is into the wall, where he was tied scarcely. When he was tied scarcely means जोर से. Okay, tightly उसको बांध दिया गया. Or so we thought to peg fastened into the wall, and we added the pin fastened into the wall, because if he tried to come out from this he couldn't, because the rope and wall stopped it. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came to the release Toto, after a few hours grandfather and writer came back to release Toto, we would find that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out the naked brick and plaster. Look at the condition of the room in which they kept this monkey first time. Whenever they reach to the bedroom, the wall is completely out of his stuff. It is the ornamental paper means to decorative paper, which is put it down on the wall to grow the beauty of the wall. So it is all these things are comes out and looks the wall looks like a naked, means bricks are looking like plasters is looking. So this kind of the situation were there over which was created by this mischievous monkey. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was sheared. Writer told that the peg means the hook. Okay, wall के अंदर जो hook थी, the writer is told about that hook. He was wrenched mean उखाड़ लेना. Okay, it is come out to remove from the socket. It is removed from the socket and writer's school blazer, जो स्कूल ब्लेजर था, it is into the shred means उसको टुकड़े कर देने, फाड़ देना. I wondered with the grandmother, sorry, I wondered what grandmother would say. I was wonder means I was in surprise, I was in shock that grandmother will what say to me. But grandfather didn't worry about the grandmother's reply because he loved this monkey. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. He seemed means dikhna. Okay, pleased means khush. He was happy with the Toto's performance. Whatever Toto was done, that is no matter, nothing matter. He is clever, said grandfather. What grandfather told about this activity regarded to doing by this monkey? Grandfather told that he is clever. Given time, give it to the time, I am sure he could have tied a torn pieces of your blazer into a rope. If you will give the time to this monkey, grandfather told to the writer that if you will give some more time to this monkey, he will be converted into the pieces of your blazer into the rope and made his escape from the window, and he will be use that rope to escape from the window. He was making the joke of this incident, grandfather. He was not taking this first incident seriously. His presence in the house still a secret. His presence means उसकी जो presence थी house के अंदर, that was still secret. It is not not show to the everyone or not declared to the everyone. Toto was now translated to a big cage into the servant quarter where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. Now Toto was transferred means उसको वहाँ पे भेज दिया गया. It was sent to the big cage which was situated into the servants quarter. Servants quarter means a servant was living there. They are living their place, living their room. That is called servant quarter. In which servant quarter many other grandfather's pet also living there together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. Okay, which animals were living into the servant quarter? A tortoise, pair of the rabbit, tame squirrel, and also his white pet goat. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep all night. Whenever monkey reached this monkey reached to the private zoo, he will not allow to anyone during the entire night to sleep. Grandfather who had to leave Dehradun next day. After another day, there one incident was happened. What incident was there? The next day, grandfather has to go Dehradun for some work, collect his pension into the Saharanpur decided to take him along. Grandfather has decided that he will take this monkey with him to the Saharanpur with him into the train. This is a very risky decision taken by the grandfather. Unfortunately, I could not accompany the grandfather on the trip. Unfortunately, writer could not accompany means to join with him. Grandfather के साथ वो जा नहीं सका था. But he told me about the afterwards. But whenever grandfather returned to the home, he told me, means he told to the writer all these things, all the story. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. To put it down the Toto into the bag, it was made from the big black canvas kit. This with some straw at the bottom. Some straw at the bottom just because of the air will come into the bag and monkey can take the breath easily. Become his new abode. New abode means a house. Okay, his new house, like looking like his new house. When the bag was closed, when grandfather closed the bag, there was no escape. देयर इज़ नो एस्केप मीन्स भागने के लिए कोई, देयर इज़ नो प्लेस टू कम आउट फ्रॉम देयर. Toto could not get his hand through the opening. Toto could not get out from his hands, at least from this opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. He has a habit to bite anything and put it thrown down into the pieces. So this bag is too heavy and too strong that Toto could not bite this. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air. Sorry. His only option, his only effort to get out from this sorry, from this bag is to making this bag roll around and trying to jump out from the bag and to the air. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. An exhibition means to show up, was attracted to the curious crowd whenever he was on the Dehradun platform. The grandfather took him to the Dehradun railway station platform. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket to the railway transit, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Now, till reached to the Saharanpur, Toto could not do any mischief. But whenever the ticket checker came at the time, he picked out his head from the head means to come out his head, to put out his head from the bag and gave a ticket collector a wide grin. Grin means a lambi chodi smile. Okay, a huge smile give to the ticket collector. The poor man was taken aback. This person, the ticket collector, was suddenly shocked to showing this, and he went back. But with a great presence of mind and much of the grandfather's annoyance, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you? You will have to pay for accordingly." And after that, presence of his mind means the ticket checker was very much presence of mind, very much accurate about his duty, and he told at the same moment to the grandfather that if you are bringing the dog with you, you have to pay for your dog according to the rules and regulations of the railway. So there is no dog, there is a monkey, but he didn't know. In a vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In a vain means in the opinion, grandfather took out the Toto from out of his bag. The vain did he try to prove that the monkey did not qualify as a dog. The grandfather was trying to prove that monkey is not considered as a dog or even as a quadruped. Toto was classified a dog by a ticket collector, and 3 rupee was sum handed over as his fare. Now grandfather trying to convince that ticket checker that it was not a dog, it was a monkey. But quadruped means the animal with 4 legs. Okay, चार पैर वाला जो animal होता है, that is called quadruped. That quadruped was classified, any quadruped was not classified as a dog. Another animals were also have 4 legs. So 3 rupees fine for the dog. Sorry, for the monkey who was considered as a dog by the ticket checker. When grandfather, just to get his own bag, took for his pocket out pet tortoise and said, "What I must pay for this, since you charge for all animals. And after irritated by the ticket checker, grandfather was irritated by the ticket checker with the after a long discussion to convince that there was a no dog, it is a monkey only. And the ticket checker was not convinced about the grandfather's argument. So after irritating all this situation, grandfather took out his tortoise in from his pocket and he told that how much will you charge for this animal. If you are charging for the animal, the ticket collector looked closely to the tortoise, prodded it with a forefinger, gave grandfather pleased and triumphant look and said, no charge, it's not dog. The ticket checker looked closely. Closely means very accurately. ध्यान से look to the tortoise and prodded. Prodded means trying to touch. Okay, trying to touch with his forefinger. Forefinger means the finger, first finger. Okay, with the trying to touch with that. And after pleased, pleasement after losing the temperament, without pleased and temperament, temperament. And he said that I will no charge for this animal because it is not a dog. I am just taking a charge for the dog only. Grandfather was trying many times to convince that ticket checker that it is not dog, but ticket checker was not convinced by grandfather's argument. Friends, till here we have to stop this explanation of this video. Okay, I hope you all can understand what is there in the lesson regarding to this video. Whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF that you have to write down in your notebook. In our next video, video number 2, we will discuss about the same lesson, remaining part of the same lesson. Okay, bye.